Hello everyone and welcome to Knowledge and Quiz Universe. Our today's quiz is on the facts about Indian states. So let us begin with the questions. Which was the first state to be formed on linguistic basis? Orissa, West Bengal, Kerala or Andhra Pradesh? The correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh was bifurcated from which state on linguistic basis? Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu or Hyderabad? The correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Which Indian state is surrounded by Bangladesh on three sides? West Bengal, Meghalaya, Tripura or Mizoram? The correct answer is Tripura. How many Indian states have a coastline? 8, 9, 10 or 11? The correct answer is 9. These 9 states having coastline are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Orissa and West Bengal. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra or Odisha? The correct answer is Gujarat. Which Indian state shares its borders with 3 different countries? Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Sikkim or Nagaland? The correct answer is Sikkim. Sikkim is surrounded by Nepal, Tibet and Bhutan. How many Indian states neither have a coastline nor have an international border? 4, 5, 6 or 7? The correct answer is 5. Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. These Indian states neither have a coastline nor have an international border. Which is the most literate state of India? Gujarat, Kerala, Maharashtra or Uttar Pradesh? The correct answer is Kerala. Which is the least literate state of India? Jammu Kashmir, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh or Bihar? The correct answer is Bihar. Which is the cleanest state of India? Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka or Mizoram? The correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh has the maximum number of clean cities and hence it is considered to be the cleanest state of India. With this we have come to the end of the quiz. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more such content. Thank you for watching. See you again.